Oh gosh, look at that. Very shiny. He's gonna like it.
Looks like a Volair. I think the dial looks pretty cool. The indices look pretty cool. The case back, I do like that design.
And there we go, a Drift Chrono. The leather actually feels pretty good. It is quick release, which is nice.
Well, I like it so far. Blue dial with a carbon fiber, got some orange accents.
It is. The blue. Pretty nice. I like it. It's definitely good.
A pure dial. I heard a lot about pure dial. I like it. This will probably be my first square watch.
So it is the Pure Dial watch. It is a brown leather band with a green dial, which is pretty cool.
Pure dial. You know what? The kid really liking this. Really liking this one.